Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, The Smoking Beard. Today's topic is saving money on gas. Now, there's this one app, is my go-to app ever since I discovered it. I use it all the time. I'm going to show you which one it is, and I'm going to show you how it works so that you too can start saving money on gas. So you want to open up your Play Store, and you want to put Gas Buddy. That's the name of the app. This is what it looks like, and I already have it installed, so yours is going to say installed, but mine just says open. So once you open up the app, you download it and open it, the app will pop up, and this is the screen you'll see. If you're in your hometown, local area, you're gonna start putting favorites on your gas stations that you wanna keep track of. So I'm gonna click on my favorites right now to show you how you can use it while at home. Okay, so I'm gonna click on my favorites, and as you can see, I have about 5 gas stations that I favored, or I put them as my favorites. Right here, it'll tell me the price per gallon. And if you look on the top, I can sort it by price or by distance. The other thing you can also do is you can change the, I guess, the grade of the gas. So right here, let's say you want to go to just premium. See, so it changes and it shows you what the gas prices are for premium. Let's assume that you forget where this is. You can easily go ahead and click on map, and it'll show you exactly where these gas stations that you favored are. Okay, so this one, very, very cool, very easy to use. The reason I really like this one is that you know where your gas station has the cheapest gas in your area, for the most part. Sometimes it's a little bit less or a little bit more. But what this has really saved me on is when I'm going out of town on trips. So whenever you're gonna do something like that, you're unfamiliar with the area. So when in that instance, you would want to click on find gas. When you click on find gas, this will give you all the gas stations in the area and their prices. And then you can sort them by price or by distance. Also, what you can do is it'll show you where you're at, where you're located, and then it'll show you all the gas stations in that local area. You can actually keep on zooming out. As you can see, I'm in deep South Texas here. If I want to know what the gas station prices are in San Antonio, I can just go ahead and click on zoom into San Antonio, and all the gas stations starts to show up. Let's say, for just because curiosity, I want to see what the prices are in California. If I click on California, I start zooming in. As soon as you start zooming in, the gas prices start to show up. All right, let's say I want to come over here and I want to see what the gas prices are in Florida. All right, so if I start zooming in on Florida, all the gas prices start zooming in. Now, this is the reason I tell you that it's real good for whenever you're traveling is, let's assume you need gas right away. And let's say you want to go and you want to click on, you say, you know what, this $3.95 per gallon is good. I'm going to go ahead and click on that one because that's the one I'm looking for. And if you click on directions, it'll literally give you step by step on your mapping system how to get to it. So I think that's a very, very I guess helpful feature, especially when you're traveling, to find gas and to get it at the lowest price possible. All right, I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And once again, this has been The Smoking Beard. Catch you guys on the flip side.